Welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, home of Plant Delight's Nursery. I'm Doug Roarin, and I am standing beside a massive beauty, Eryngium pandanifolium. This is one of those plants that is just total knockout for structure. This is as colorful as it gets, so if you must have color, it might not be the plant for you. But if you enjoy big, bold architecture, it has it down. Pandanifolium means foliage like pandan. The pandans are the screw pines, an unrelated plant, and one of the pandans is a culinary herb in tropical Southeast Asia. Most commonly, the common name of sea holly is used for the eryngiums, and that comes from the fact that the eryngiums native to Europe are dune plants, coastal plants, and the leaves are very prickly and more holly-like rather than long and narrow. There are quite a few North American species of eryngium. One of them, Eryngium yuccifolium, which is sort of a smaller version of this, has a common name of rattlesnake master because it was thought to be a cure for rattlesnake bite. I would recommend going to the hospital and not bothering with the Eryngium yuccifolium at that point. But Eryngium pandanifolium is one of many species native to South America. It's fully winter hardy here. And as you notice, it is highly popular with pollinators. And you might think that I would feel nervous standing so closely to these flowers, but when insects are visiting flowers for nectaring and collecting pollen, they're not concerned about the big ugly beasts standing next to the plant. So it's sort of like having your own insect zoo when you have plants like this in your garden. Fascinating creatures come in to make use of the flowers. It is a big plant, not for the tiny garden, but any garden that's big enough for this. A few big, bold architectural plants can add so much to a garden design. We're growing it here in full sun. I'd recommend full sun or something close to full sun. The foliage is evergreen. We cut these flower stalks off, whenever they get shabby. I think they remain presentable long after they're done blooming. And they're in bloom for quite a while. Most people know what the umbel family, the family of fennel and dill and parsley and poison hemlock. Well, this is in the same family. I was surprised when I learned that a few years ago, but the umbel has become really compressed, so it's more of a spherical head of flowers, many in inflorescence. So if you have room for this beauty, I highly recommend it. Thank you for visiting today, and happy gardening.